New clothes. Okay.
Yeah,
Checkers. Oh, those would look nice. For school?
Yeah.
Okay.
Where's the other pair?
Hold on.
You gotta show me that shirt again.
Grandma gave me this shirt.
Oh, that's pretty. That'll look nice. You wear that with those checkered pants? You can wear them with jeans?
Yeah.
Oh, you got some denims? Oh, cool. Pre-hold and everything.
Yeah.
You know, you couldn't do that yourself? You know what you do is you get your brother to wear them.
Yeah.
I mean, you get them all filthy, nasty, stanky, and then you just wash them up and they'd be just like that. And then let it be that grandma gave to you.
And then, you want me to show you that shirt again?
Yeah, show the shirt again. Guess what I found? I found a jersey, Minnesota, what's his name? He was a quarterback for Culpepper for the Minnesota Vikings, but you don't know who they are, do you? Yeah, I think so. Zoom. Oh my God. Look at that horse's ass. Ah, this is fun. Come on, baby. You know that song. Ain't nothing but love for you, baby. Yeah. See how long I can record her before she'll give me a dirty look or stick her tongue out at me. Come on, stick your tongue out at me, Grandma. Grandma won't stick her tongue out at me. Weird. Thought I'd seen it flash. This, when you record like this on the street, looks like you're doing 150 miles an hour. Especially on the sides, when you zoom in, it looks like everything's just flying by. It's like, zoom. Uh-oh, what we got? Look in the rearview mirror. Nope, nothing. All right.